Welcome back, it's your guy Engineer Mojo with another car tutorial video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to replace a blower motor. This is part of your AC assembly, and I'll be working on my first generation Tacoma. This process will also apply to a 4Runner or T100 within the similar year range as my first generation Tacoma. As always, to get it started off fast, tools you'll need are. Now you'll need a screwdriver. I'm going to be using a T25 Torx bit. And that's your kind of star torx head bit, but you can also use a flathead screwdriver. It doesn't matter, they both will work for this application. But I choose to use the T25 Torx bit just because it engages the screws a little easier. Now just a quick blurb on what I bought. I bought an aftermarket product from an online vendor. Just be careful with the aftermarket products. Sometimes when you turn it on high after you install, you will hear a kind of electronic whine, if you know what that sounds like. Usually that's not a problem with manufacturer products straight from Toyota for the blower motors, but aftermarkets, there can be a whine. For me, it's not that bad, and it's worth saving 3 times what it would cost getting it from Toyota. Keep that in mind when you're trying to decide what you want to purchase. It's a quick explanation of how it sounds. If it's on high, it whines. If it's on mid, I don't really hear it because I have the music on usually. If it's on low, I don't hear it at all. So buy at your own risk. Your blower motor is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Look at your glove compartment box. You go underneath and you see right to the right hand side next to your kick panel, here is your blower motor. You have 1, 2, and if you can see 3 screws that you'll have to undo. And it's either, like I said earlier, a flathead screwdriver or a T25 Torx bit. And there's 1 connection plug that just pulls right out. And it's a very simple process to remove and replace. When you pull it out, you'll see that you could have some leaves, some grime, some dirt in here. Hopefully you don't have any rodents in here. Woo! That was close. Sometimes I've heard people have rats and lizards and snakes in there just because they get up in there. So just be careful what you find. Here you have your blower motor hanging. You see the 2 clip. This pulls just right out. There you go. Whenever I get a new replacement part, I always like to compare the old with the new. And I just like to make a quick comparison just to make sure I got the correct part. Everything seems to align with the mounting hole locations. The connection seems the same as well from here to here. When I turn it around, I'll just verify, make sure that there's nothing I want to take off from the old and put on the new. And I don't see anything from the old that I need from the new. So we're good to go. We're good to install the new blower motor. Install the new part is the exact same as the removal of the old, just in reverse. So first thing I'll do is I'll just plug in this part right here, connection plug. That's in, and then I'll just screw it back in. And that's pretty easy, so I won't show you that and waste your time. The new blower motor is installed, good to go. Just make sure when you reinstall that the orientation is correct. And that's pretty easy. It only goes on one way. Now that should be a very easy install, 10-15 minutes tops. Test it, make sure it works well, and you'll be good to go. As always, thanks for watching. If you like it, please like, please share, please comment, and more importantly, please let me know if there's any tips or tricks to make this easier. It's already pretty easy, but there may be something I may have missed. As you see, I have some extra work to do on my Tacoma, so until next time, I'll see you. I'm out.